Today we're gonna cut my first clutch of ball python eggs. Alright, so this clutch is my first clutch of ball python eggs. This was laid on 5/19, and if you could really tell, well, you can't really see through this box, but I can see some that pipped out already. I'm super excited. My birthday was a few days ago, so this is gonna be kind of like a birthday present to me. So here we go. Super excited about this. Let's see. Oh my gosh. Wow. Holy cow. Let me make sure I get the lid. Wow. Already I can see a Candino. I really have to cut these guys. So this is day 55. Wow. I could tell I got a few normals already, which is okay. This is my first normals, first ball python clutch. Some look slightly more high yellow, so I gotta check. The dad is like a who's your daddy clutch. This breeding was supposed to be my albino pied, possible orange dream, possible pastel, to my het candy, possible het pied. But the breeder that the person who I bought the het candy from did have a lockup from his albino het pied male. So it's gonna be like a who's your daddy clutch. So far we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 that pipped. So we got 3 that didn't. I can see one that pipped, but it didn't totally come out yet. Right here, you can tell we have 1 Candino. We have 2 Candinos right here. So there's 2 Candinos and 3 normals so far. 3 normals to my eyes look like regular normals, but they could also be a pastel, or I would say maybe this one's a pastel. Wow. It's hard to tell, so I need, I'm gonna have to look at them when they fully come out, but really excited about this. All right, let's make sure that we're getting this all on camera. So right here is the orange dream, not orange dream, sorry. Right here is a Candino, right here is a Candino, and then looks like right here is all the normals. So let's go ahead and finish the rest and see what the rest are. Oh, you know what? Maybe this is Candino too, Let's go ahead and just open these up. I'm too excited. Yeah, these guys already pipped a lot, so I'm just gonna make their hole a little bit bigger. So yeah, this is just a Candino too. So it actually looks, what is this? It's a weird looking Candino. It has a weird pattern. Oh, it's cool. So yeah, so we do have 3 Candinos so far. That's 1, 2, 3 Candinos and 3 normals. This one looks slightly like a pastel or orange dream, so I really gotta wait till that one comes out. Let's go ahead and show you guys that. I don't know if you can tell, it has a little bit more, it could just be a high yellow normal, but we'll see when it fully comes out. Yeah, I can tell it's just like that normal Candino pattern right here. This one looks really, has some chunks of white, so I was like, This looks a little different, but I gotta wait until they come out. Let me help this guy out. Make these holes a little bit bigger for these guys. Wow, so cool. Put your head back in there, guy. Let's get this hole a little bit bigger for him. Yeah, there you can see that Candino. Probably hard to tell, but there's Candino right there. All right, let's see. And right here we just have a normal. Nothing wrong with a normal. This guy's already ready to come out. So let's go on to let's do this one that's ready pip. We have another Candino. Wow. You can tell right there. There's the pattern. So, what is that? 1, 2. One of these really looks really different. So it's kind of cool to look at and see what it could be. So we 1, 2, 3, 4 Candinos, 3 normal so far. This one looks slightly different, like it could be a high yellow just a high yellow normal, or it could be a possible pastel orange dream. So let's go ahead. Let me open up this one a little bit more for this guy. This one was the one that was a slight window egg. Wow, you know what? That looks like something different. So I will wait until it comes out fully, but yeah, these guys are really cool. Yeah, I think we got something different going on here, because right here you got the normal. You can clearly see this is a normal. It's a little bit darker. Then you got your little bit high yellow, like maybe this is a pastel possible. Okay. That's weird. Let's go open up these 2 eggs here and see what we got. Yeah, I got another Candino here. Wow. Really nice. This one's a really high orange, high yellow Candino, so you can tell. Wow. Super excited about these guys, man. So let's see. So far, I have to keep recounting because I'm too excited. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 Candinos. Seems to be 3 normals, but I have to sort out those to see if they're Orange Dream or Pastel or something. Could just be high yellow normals. All right, here we go. Because the dad was a possible Orange Dream, possible Pastel, and then there was a Who's Your Daddy's clutch, so it could have been a different dad also. So we'll see. We'll just wait until they come out. Oh, here goes for the final A, guys. Let's see if we can hit something cool. I would say even these normals are really nice. I've never been so excited to see a normal. Let's get it this way. This one has a lot of yolk. Seems like we got another normal here. All right. Yeah, another normal. Cool. So we hit 5 Candinos and seems to be 4 normals. A couple of those might be something different, so we're just gonna have to wait until they fully come out. All right, cool. Well, thank you guys for watching my video on my egg cutting. I'll do a little bit further video when they come out and all that, and let you guys know what they came out to be.